Hey, this is Anthony with RevZilla TV, and welcome to our detailed breakdown of the brand new for fall 2011 Alpinestars Venture Enduro and Adventure Jacket. Now, if we look at this jacket right out of the gates, this is a jacket that spawned from the off-road world. It went from off-road to enduro, and now it's been an evolution from some of the key Alpinestars products as they've taken feedback and evolved from a lot of their enduro riders that are doing long distance, think Paris to Dakar Rally. If we look at it, it's a lot of off-road features, but there's a good mix of storage and functionality that are going to cover you for that longer distance. In my opinion, the key standout here on the Venture, though, is that it's the way the collar is set up, and we have a shot of what it looks like with the collar on. It's a very functional collar, but once you remove that collar, you can integrate seamlessly with the Bionic Neck System from Alpinestars, which turn and face the wall for me, Stevan. You can see from the side profile, is going to create that table to protect your neck in a heavy-duty off-road crash. Give you that support both laterally, front to back, hyper-extension, hyperflexion that you would need. Turn and face the back wall, Stevan. See it from the back as well. You can spin back around forward. Now, this jacket is sized to be really an off-road enduro cut. Stevan is 6'3", 215, 44-inch chest. He's wearing a BNS Bionic Jacket underneath this, which includes back armor, shoulder, forearm, elbow. And when I take this off of him in a second, you're going to see it. But really, so he has his Bionic or his compression suit with armor underneath. There's no armor built into the exterior of this jacket. What it is a highly abrasion-resistant ballistic nylon shell that has a lot of functionality built into it. So starting from the top down, you're going to see some of the nuances which are built for long distance and long life in rugged conditions. Spring-loaded snaps. As I start to do this two-position flap, which they do this so they can allow you to regulate your airflow on the main connection zipper, you notice it's a YKK Vislon zipper. This is one of the most heavy-duty zippers in the world. It's using micro Velcro from Alpinestars, which doesn't interfere with any of your cuffs and is also short that it's not going to bite your skin. As we move further down, you're going to see we have another panel here as well with more micro Velcro. Up here on the top chest panels, two big mesh-backed air vents that are going to allow air to come in from the front. Two storage pockets here on the side of the chest, which also have a ventilation feature. They're mesh back, so they're also going to flow air. Really cool feature here on the left is you have your ID or credentials pocket with a window, and when you're not using it, it actually tucks right back into the pocket and zips up so you don't know it's there. And I just kind of jammed it in there, but it does sit flat. There's no water resistant or waterproof element to this jacket. It does have an abrasion resistant coating on top of a highly abrasion resistant shell, but really for this type of riding, typically you may have rain gear, you may not. It's enduro riding. It's the kind of thing that's much more skewed to the off-road world versus that multi-season touring style world. Notice big beefy TPRs, thermoplastic rubber pulls here at the cuff that are going to give you a big area to pull with gloves, but are also going to stay durable. Turn and face aside for me, Stevan. Notice here, if you want to run this with the BNS Bionic Jacket underneath like Stevan has, and you want to wear it as a vest to have all of your accoutrement and things in the different pockets, but you want to pull the sleeves, you absolutely can. So if I pull the sleeve, I'd have a zipper that goes 360 around, and I can wear this as a vest. Notice big Alpinestars patches. We see that a lot in the racing world. And we lost the side here, very easy to keep down. Turn backwards for me, Stevan. And notice the back, big Venturi vents that have big YKK zippers that are going to have great airflow. And then we have our rubberized Alpinestars logo across the backside. Turn back around for me. So now that we have the Venture jacket off of Stevan, you have to remember, we have a great lead time on this stuff, so we didn't have the Venture pants today, but they will match the jacket in different color schemes. We have it off Stevan. You can see the way the collar is done when you have the main collar removed. You can also see when you are wearing it with the collar without the BNS that you have a nice heavy-duty button here that you're going to cinch it down. But if we look at the inside, it's a solid, durable mesh that's going to allow airflow and try to keep you cool. We talked about the hydration pocket on the inside, which is small but a reasonable size. You would snake your hydration line through the top of this vent in the front, and then you'd cinch the line down through this holder right here. So again, just a nice basic functional piece. And then, for some of the guys that are more of a, some guys like to run a shock cord to the kill switch, and that's your big D-ring here, which is durable on the inside. One last thing we didn't talk about was, while this jacket doesn't come with armor, it comes with some light temper foam in panels here on the elbows just for some added shock absorption and impact resistance. Stevan was wearing a size extra large, and Stevan's a big guy. He's right on the cusp between an XL and a 2X, but if you saw how it fit him, he had a full Bionic neck support, Bionic jacket on under this guy, and it was just fine. So this is the orange-black version. If you have any questions about the Venture Adventure or Venture Enduro jacket that I've detailed today, shoot us a line, see us at RevZilla.com or 877-792-9455. Remember, our videos are here for you to help you watch, decide, then ride, but nobody's better than our team at helping people get from point A to point B and finding the right gear for them. As always, it's over $100. We're on TeamZilla cash to be applied to your next order. It's our loyalty program to help you save some money in the long run. Because it's over $39, we'll ship it for free. If you get the wrong size, we'll exchange it for free. If you just don't like it, send it back in brand new condition. There's never a restock fee as long as it's new with the tags, and we'll take it back and happily credit you back 100%. Thanks for watching our detailed breakdown of the Alpinestars Venture Enduro Jacket, available at RevZilla.com/Alpinestars. I'm Anthony. We'll see you next time.